Have you ever dreamed of studying in South Korea without worrying about tuition fees or living expenses? The KOICA Scholarship Program 2027 offers fully funded master's and PD scholarships for eligible international students. It covers tuition fees, accommodation, monthly living expenses, airfare, health insurance, and much more. In this video, I'll explain who can apply, what benefits you'll receive, the required documents, the complete application process, and the official deadline. So stay with me until the end. The KOICA Scholarship Program is funded by the Korea International Cooperation Agency, also known as KOICA. Established by South Korea's Ministry of Foreign Affairs, KOICA supports the education of future leaders from partner countries. For this intake, a total of 109 scholarships are available for master's and PhD programs at leading Korean universities. Master's programs typically last 17 months, while PhD programs take around 36 months. Thousands of students dream of studying in South Korea because of its world-class education, advanced technology, and excellent research environment. The KOICA Scholarship doesn't just provide financial support, it also helps scholars build leadership skills so they can contribute to the development of their home countries after graduation. Let's look at everything this scholarship covers. You'll receive full tuition fee coverage, a monthly living allowance, round-trip international airfare, free accommodation, a settlement allowance when you arrive in South Korea, national health insurance, private medical insurance, support for extracurricular activities, a scholarship completion grant after successfully finishing your program. This comprehensive funding allows you to focus on your education instead of financial concerns. Several prestigious Korean universities are participating in the KOICA Scholarship Program. These include Handong Global University, Incheon National University KDI, School of Public Policy and Management, Sung Kyung-kwan University Yonsei University. The available academic fields include e-government, public management, climate change, environmental management, economic development policy, and health policy. Now let's see who can apply. Applicants must be citizens of one of the eligible partner countries, receive an official nomination from their government or the relevant ministry, ideally be younger than 40 years old, be physically and mentally fit to complete the program. For master's programs, applicants should hold a bachelor's degree and ideally have at least 2 years of relevant work experience. For PhD programs, applicants should hold a master's degree and ideally have at least 3 years of professional experience. The programs are taught in English, so applicants should have good English communication skills. According to the scholarship information provided, IELTS is not required. The scholarship is open to applicants from many countries across Africa, Asia, Central and South America, the Pacific, the Middle East, Central Asia, and Eastern Europe. Countries include Pakistan, India, Bangladesh, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Indonesia, the Philippines, Thailand, Vietnam, Mongolia, and many others. Before applying, make sure your country appears on the official eligibility list. Before starting your application, prepare the required documents. These include KOICA online application form, a valid passport, an official government recommendation letter. Depending on your chosen university or program, you may also be asked to submit additional academic documents. Always check the official program requirements. Here's the application process. Step 1. Confirm that your country is eligible. Step 2. Contact the government ministry or authority responsible for KOICA nominations in your country. Step 3. Complete the online application form. Step 4. Upload all required documents. Step 5. Submit your application before the official deadline and monitor your email for further instructions. Always use the official KOICA website to access the application portal and the latest updates. According to the information provided, the application deadline is July 31st, 2026. Because government nominations and document preparation can take time, it's a good idea to start preparing as early as possible. Before applying, verify the deadline on the official KOICA website in case there have been any updates. If this guide helped you, subscribe for more verified scholarship updates. Leave your questions in the comments, and I'll be happy to help. Share this video with friends who dream of studying abroad. Good luck with your KOICA scholarship application and see you in the next video.